Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about value, and as I always say, marketing is all about value. It's about creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging value. So we need to understand what value is. So whenever you're thinking of buying something, generally you buy the products that you think are providing you with value. So whenever you purchase something, you're thinking about what is it that I'm getting versus what is it that I'm giving up. So most of the time what you are giving up is you're giving up money. So that's one equation of the value. And in return, if you think that you're getting more for your money, that would be the only reason why you would give up your money. So what you are getting, which is generally the perceived benefit of buying a particular product, and what you're giving up, which is the cost associated with getting that product. So when the benefits outweigh the cost, then that particular product is said to have value. And whenever we're talking about marketing exchange only happens when both of the parties think that they are getting something of value. So when you buy something from Walmart for, let's say, $10, the product that you buy, you believe will give you more value than the $10 that you're giving up. And at the same time, the $10 that the Walmart is taking, Walmart believes that the money is more valuable than the product that they are selling to you. And that is why exchange is possible. So whenever we're talking about values, it will consist of two components. What is the benefit that you are receiving, and one is the cost that you are giving up. So whenever you're thinking about a product that you're going to purchase, the benefit could be a lot of different things. It could be emotional benefit or psychological benefit that you're getting by owning the particular product, which is hedonic value, or it could be a functional benefit that you're getting by getting that particular product, which is providing you with some utility. So it could be a utilitarian value. So whatever benefit you are getting, sorry for the noise, it's 4th of July celebrations that's going on. So if you're able to hear it, it's just some people cheering for the birthday of America. So anyway, so there are two different types of value: what you are going to get and what you are going to give up is generally money. So cost is many times thought about as the thing that you are giving up. So it just could not be money. It can be a lot of different things as well. If I need to give up a lot of my time, then that is also something that I've given up, right? So that's also something that I gave up to get the benefit that I need. There might be other costs associated with the product as well, like social pressure, right? So as I mentioned in one of my other video, when I think of buying a car, I might buy a car because of how it looks, right? What are the functional benefits that I am getting by owning the car? I consider both the psychological as well as the utilitarian value that the car has to offer. And if you think about it, a minivan many times offers more utilitarian value than a regular SUV might, because it carries more cargo space, it has more space for people. Many times the miles per gallon is very, very similar, and nowadays the engine speed, everything is very, very comparable between SUVs and minivan. But many people would not be caught dead in a minivan. Imagine like me, I don't know, you could imagine me easily, but I cannot imagine myself driving in a minivan and show up at a friend's party, right? I don't have kids. So many of the young people would want to be only seen in driving a sports car. They won't be seen driving a minivan. Now those are societal costs associated with owning a particular product. How your friends and family think about you buying a particular product is also going to have an impact on how much you are going to value a product. So whenever we're thinking about value, there are a lot of different things that we need to consider. So I hope this video helped you understand a little bit more about value, and also look through my other videos in which I talk about the different types of value. Let me know if you have any questions. And like as always, like, comment, subscribe, send me questions that you want to get answered. And thank you very much for listening.